So today we're going to show you how to do a maintenance wash and dry on a car that already looks good using our brand new Hybrid V7 High Gloss Car Wash Soap. Now this soap is excellent to use because it's super slick, so you're not going to scratch the surface as you wash the car. It also has special gloss enhancers to magnify the look of any wax and sealant coat that you already have, and it'll help make the car look like it was freshly waxed. So I'm going to show you how to get set up. We're going to use the 2-bucket method, and today I'm going to use the foam gun to get some extra lubrication and extra foam and soap on the car as I wash it to further help reduce the chances of scratching the car. So let me show you how to get set up. So to get started, I have my 2 buckets already set up. They're filled up with water. I'm going to be using a grit guard in each bucket. Now, this is a wash baffle. As you go in with your mitt, knock off any of the dirt that you pick up off the car. It's going to fall past the screen, get caught at the bottom of the bucket, and get stopped in these fins. So the dirt won't swirl back up. You have less chance of putting it back on the paint and scratching the car as you go. I've also got a microfiber wash mitt. So this is going to help me pick up any dirt. It's nice and soft, very absorbent, holds a lot of soap, and it'll also pick up any dirt, keep it off the car. I got my Hybrid V7 soap. Now, as per the instructions, I only need 1 ounce in a 5-gallon bucket of water, so I'm just going to give it 1 ounce in the bucket. That's all I need. It'll make tons of suds. I've also got my foam gun here. So I already have this pre-filled with water. Now, I'm only going to need 1 to 3 ounces of soap in the actual foam gun. So I'm going to take my Hybrid V7 soap. I'm going to add 2 ounces in here. So there's 1, there's 2. Awesome. You see the foam gun tank is starting to turn nice orange color. I'm going to put the top back on and give it a good shake. Mix up the soap solution. I got an awesome activated orange soap mixture in here. So I'm going to activate the suds here in my bucket, get my hose, and you see the mountains of suds that this product creates. So now I got tons of suds to wash the car, less chance of scratching the paint, and I'm going to do this maintenance wash, make the car look awesome. So I'm going to get started, wash the car. First things first, I'm going to get my hose. I'm going to rinse the car down. I want to do this first because I want to get all the large pieces of dirt, dust, debris, bird droppings, things like that off the car before I even touch it with the mitt. That way there's even less chance of putting any scratches on the paint as I go. So to get started, you want to wash the car from the top to the bottom. The bottom of the car gets all the heaviest dirt and debris, brake dust, things like that. That's the most abrasive stuff. So I want to wash it from the top down to get the lighter dirt off first and then the heavier dirt. Again, less chances of scratching. All right, so once I got the car rinsed down, I'm gonna take my foam gun and attach it onto this nozzle. So as you see, I have a dial up here that controls the air mixture ratio with the soap in the gun. So it controls the amount of foam I get. So I can get a lighter foam or heavier foam as I go. I like to use a lot of foam just to get a lot of lubrication on the surface as I go. I'm going to use the 2-bucket method as I go too. I'm going to use a special method called priming the mitt. So as I wipe, I'm going to spray the foam into the mitt as I wipe just to get extra lubrication, extra suds. So I got my soap, my microfiber mitt. I'm going to wash the car from top to bottom. Here we go. Now, we like to wash in straight lines. We don't like to scrub back and forth. We don't want to do circles. Everything we do is to minimize the chances of scratching the paintwork. So once my mitt gets all full of dirt and debris, I come back to the second bucket. Second bucket just has clean water in it. I rinse the mitt off, and then I wring it out here on the ground. That's to get all the dirt and garbage that was on the paint that got stuck in the mitt out of the mitt. So when I come back here in the bucket with soap, there's no more dirt. I'm not going to put it back on the car and scratch the car as I go. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to wash the whole car down with this method to ensure that I have the least chance of putting any scratches on the car. So now it's time to dry the car. Now it's important that you use a fine microfiber towel when you dry the car because 95% of swirls and scratches come from washing and drying your car improperly or when using improper drying and washing tools. So today I'm going to be using the Fatty Orange Super Dryer Towel. It's a very large towel and it's great for drying large surfaces like an entire car. To use it, I'm going to fold it in half. It's a very plush towel, high-grade microfiber, and it's got silk banded edging so that as you use it, you have less of a chance of scratching the car by catching an edge on the paint. So I'm going to take it, fold it in half. I'm just going to wipe down the surface. I'm going to go in one direction and pull off all the water. You see now the surface is effectively dry. Keep going. Flip to a dry side and buff it dry. And now this whole hood, whole half of the hood is nice and dry. So I'm going to keep going, do the entire car, and I'm not going to have any swirls or scratches from drying or washing the car today. So there you go. That's how you do a weekly maintenance wash on your car using our brand new Hybrid V07 High Gloss Car Wash Soap. Now the soap is super slick, we got no extra swirls or scratches on the paint, and the gloss enhancers made the car look as if it was freshly waxed. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below on the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 600 videos showing you how to detail just about any part of your car. If you want to learn more about Hybrid V7 soap, link is right below in the description. You should check it out on our website. If you got a nice car, let's keep it clean with chemical.